Which choice completes the text with the most logical and precise word or phrase? Researchers have struggled to pinpoint specific causes for hiccups, which happens when a person's diaphragm contracts blank. However, neuroscientist Kimberly Whitehead has found that these uncontrollable contractions may play an important role in helping infants regulate their breathing. So the text highlights how the cause of the hiccups are unknown to researchers, the specific cause. And hiccup occurs when a person's diaphragm contracts. And later on, it highlights how this contraction is uncontrollable. And there is one benefit of hiccups mentioned, which is that they play an important role in helping infants regulate their breathing. So now let's look at the answer choices to fill in this blank. A. Involuntarily. This seems to be the correct answer because the text highlights how the contractions that occur when happens is uncontrollable, meaning that it's involuntarily occurs. So involuntarily would properly fit this blank, so A seems to be the correct answer. B. Beneficially. This is incorrect because although one benefit is later on mentioned in the text, the focus of the text isn't on how the hiccups are beneficial. Instead, it later on says that they are uncontrollable or involuntary. Therefore, B. Beneficially is incorrect. C. Strenuously. This is incorrect because nothing in the text suggests that a hiccup is strenuous or that when a diaphragm contracts, it takes a lot of effort. So C, strenuously, wouldn't properly fit this blank, and therefore C is incorrect. D, smoothly. This is incorrect because, like C, nothing in the text suggests this, where nowhere does it say that when the diaphragm contracts that occurs in a smooth manner. Therefore, D is incorrect. And the correct answer is A.